can I transplant wild blueberry plants from the woods to my garden? Thank you, Richard in Greenville, Tennessee. So what do you think about that?
I think it's great if he's got wild blueberries growing out in the woods. And I can understand him wanting to have it closer.
Right. Yeah.
This is the key, the pH. Blueberry pH likes to be 4.5 to 5 or something like that. And so is the ground that he is going to be putting it in the same pH as the ground that he was taking the blueberry from?
That's a good question. Same one I have. Yeah. That's probably the reason why I was growing there in the woods.
Yes.
It probably liked the soil pH there, liked the habitat there, which is probably why it grew better there. But yeah, if you're gonna try to transplant that.
And so I would get a soil test first and find out what's the soil test, what the pH is, where it's growing, and what the soil pH is in your area.
All right.
Well, then if it's not correct, you need to think a year ahead of time and change the pH of your soil to match where the pH is, where it is. And then when you do dig it up, you've got to give enough room to get all the roots, because blueberries do not like to be transplanted.
No. Transplant shock.
No,
yeah, because that's something else I thought about as well. Again, look where it's growing, and you're going to bring it up. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So there you have it, Mr. Richards. Go ahead, do your homework.
Yeah, do a little more research and soil test and
get your pH right.
Find out what's going on with both areas.
Right, because again, there's a reason why it's growing where it's growing. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.